Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make two motor in two-way switch wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Double pole MCB circuit breaker, switch 1, switch 2, magnetic contactor 1, magnetic contactor 2, single phase motor 1, single phase motor 2, phase connection input to double pole MCB, phase connection from double pole MCB to connect magnetic contactor 1 and 2 L1 terminal, phase connection from contactor L1 terminal to single phase motor 1, phase connection contactor 2 to single phase motor 2, neutral connection input to double pole MCB, neutral connection output from double pole MCB to connect magnetic contactor to L2 terminal and coil connection. Again connect to magnetic contactor 1 coil connection and L2 terminal connection. Neutral connection from L2 terminal to motor 1. Again neutral connection from contactor L2 terminal to motor 2. Phase connection input to switch 1. Phase connection output from switch 1 to switch 2 common terminal. Phase connection from L1 terminal to connect coil connection. Phase connection from switch to L2 terminal to magnetic contactor to coil connection. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.